Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So, to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, and in here find our hotspot toggle. So for me it's right over here. So once you find it, I want to hold the toggle, and this will take us to the settings where we can customize it right after we click on set up portable hotspot. So from here, you can change network name, but honestly, for me, the Redmi Note 10 seems like an adequate name. Then we have the password. And for some reason, my light just went out. There we go, fix it. Nope. Okay, so now that it's working, we can continue. So, password. As you can see, by default it's just some random trash, so let's get rid of this one and set our own new password. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, but apart from that you can set it to be anything you want. There we go, seems like a secure enough password. Then we have the security, which obviously you keep as it is, otherwise your Wi-Fi won't have any kind of protection. Anybody can join it, which not very good. Device information, portable hotspot obviously, hide the SSID, keep this as it is, otherwise you'll have to add the name and the password manually. It won't be showing up in the list. So anyway, simply tap on the check mark and everything is set. So let's quit this and go back to our toggle, which should be, where was it? Oh, right over here. So tap on it and voila, your hotspot is now enabled. So you can connect to this and use the internet on other devices. Now, additionally, I'll just mention one thing. Once you're done with the hotspot, make sure you turn it off, because it does use, or actually doesn't use Wi-Fi in this case. Normally it would turn off your Wi-Fi, which isn't necessarily the best thing. But additionally, apart from that, it does consume a little bit more battery. So if you don't want to drain your phone out of a battery quicker for no reason when you're not using this, simply just check it off. It doesn't take much time, and just tapping on it and turning it off will save you a little bit of time wasting and charging your device. So anyway, that being said, that is how you could set up your hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.